Hi students, welcome back. In the previous classes, we were discussing about the different climatic regions on the earth. We have already discussed about the equatorial climatic region and also about the hot deserts. Today, we are going to learn about the land of eternal snow. Students, can you identify this picture? Yes, you are right. This is a temporary house called igloo built by the Inuit tribes. Inuits are the dwellers of the permanently snow-covered regions in the northern part of North America and Eurasia. This region is characterized by extremely long days and nights, each lasting about 6 months. Inuits are adapted to the adverse climate and the lack of resources. Hunting and fishing are the means of life. They live in small groups and never settle anywhere permanently. Essential commodities are exchanged with other groups on the way. They also make houses using the bones of whales, rough rocks, and leather. During summer, they hunt seals, reindeers, polar bears, etc. They consume the flesh of the hunted animals, clothe themselves with their skin, and make weapons from their horns and bones. They never leave the igloo during the winter, which lasts for about 6 months. To survive this period, they store food in advance. Earthed leather shoes and double-layered jackets and trousers made of fur are the common costumes of the Inuits. Inuits traveling on flat sledges driven by tamed dogs is a common scene in this region. This climatic region, lying to the north of Arctic Circle and extending around the North Pole, is known as Tundra Climatic Region. This region, characterized by very low rainfall, scarce vegetation and extremely low population, is actually a cold desert. The rarely experienced 10 degrees Celsius in June is considered as the highest temperature here. The major vegetation that survives the extreme cold climate comprises of moss and lichens. Small flowering plants and shrubs can be seen only during short summers. Tall trees are rare here. Major fauna includes polar bears, reindeers, sea animals like whales, seals, and fishes. Okay students, you have learned about 3 different climatic regions of the world. There are a few other climatic regions as well. Shall we check which are they? The Savannah or Sudan climatic region lies between 10 degree to 20 degree north and south. The Mediterranean climatic region lies between 30 degree to 40 degree north and south. Temperate grasslands or steppe climatic region lies between 40 degree to 55 degree north and south. Cool temperate continental or Siberian climate lies between 55 degree to 70 degree north and south. These are the other climatic regions of the world. Students, did you remember this homework? Yes, very good. Shall we check the answers? Okay students, that's all for today. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.